DK Papercraft. Today we are going to make bat with this box. Take this box like this and cut into half. Now I cutted. These are the two bats. Now we are going to make this handle. Take newspaper and fold like round. Now insert in this and put tape here and back side. Now let's stick color paper in this box and in this handle. Okay friends, now I sticked color paper and for handle also I sticked color paper. Now I sticked this handle with glue and let it dry for 1 day. After it will normal, we can play. Okay friends, now I am going to stick stickers in this bat. I will show later. After 5 minutes I will stick and show you. Okay friends, I am showing you after 1 day. And this is very strong. You put Fevicol means it will very strong. See friends, it is very strong. See friends, I decorated with stickers. Now I am going to write Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai Indians, that like I will write names. Okay friends, you also do this. Who don't have this like box means I will put another idea for there. Okay friends, bye friends.